In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without ever recording your own videos and without ever using YouTube ads. Now the chances are you've came to this video because you know how powerful YouTube is and you know how much money you can make potentially from using YouTube. Now I'm going to show you a method here which no one's talking about, and I'm going to show you how you can monetize that without ever using YouTube ads. What that means for you is you can get started today. You don't have to hit 1,000 subscribers and be eligible for advertisements. You can get started today and you can start making money and seeing money today. So this is working worldwide. All you need for this is a computer and an internet connection, and you need to be willing to put in a little bit of work. So if you're on this video, I'm assuming you're able to put in a little bit of work. Watch it all the way until the end. Make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one, and we'll jump to my computer and I'll show you what you need to do. Okay guys, so here we are on YouTube. I'm not going to mess around here. Now this method is going to involve us creating no videos. We're not going to have to record our screen. We're not going to have to speak on camera. All we're going to have to do is upload videos that have already been made for us, and we can then send that traffic to a website and a way that we can monetize that audience. Now this isn't your bog standard Creative Commons method, so don't worry there. What I'm going to show you here is something new and something that is very unsaturated, so you can go and start this and make some money. Now we're going to upload a channel in the stock footage niche for YouTubers. So you can see this video here, no copyright video, green forest sky, 4K background, has 24,000 views. And this video is 50 seconds long, and all it is a stock footage video that somebody's got off the internet and re-uploaded to YouTube. Now, the reason that people are searching for stock footage on YouTube is because they're mainly YouTubers who want to put stock footage in their videos, just like the stock footage I used at the start of this video. Now, a lot of up-and-coming YouTubers don't know where you can get stock footage from, so what they'll do is they'll go to YouTube and they might do a search for sunset stock footage. So they might search for sunset stock footage here, and they might go ahead and download one of these videos. Now you can see there are channels doing this, and the channel at the top here ranking for this has 5.6k views, which can all be monetized using the method that I'm about to show you. So you can see here you've got another search term for beach free stock footage, and I'm going to show you how you can find stock footage which you can legally upload, which is Creative Commons, and I'm going to show you how you can monetize that all at the end of this video. So here we've got another channel here, free HD no copyright, and you can see these do the exact method that I'm talking about, and then you've got another one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here how you can create a YouTube channel which uploads stock footage, and then I'm going to show you how you can monetize it, so bear with me here. Now I think if you're watching this video you probably already know how to create a YouTube channel, so I'm not really going to cover that in too much detail. But if you don't know how, you will go to the top right hand corner, you can then click sign up and you can go and create your own channel here. So this is the channel you're watching this video on, Success Online. Now obviously if you've created your new channel you're not going to have any videos and you're not going to have any banner art. Now if you want to customize that, which maybe you do, go to customize channel and you can then upload a profile picture and banner art. I'm not really going to show you how to do that. You can just go here to branding and you can go and change that. Go and add a simple profile picture and a simple banner, and you want to create your YouTube channel name around free stock footage for YouTubers. So just like this one here, they've got free HD videos, no copyright. You could do free HD videos for YouTubers, or no copyright HD stock footage for YouTubers. And the key thing here is you want to target these at YouTubers, because that's mainly who is going to be watching your videos, and that's mainly the people that are going to be downloading your stock footage. So once you've got your channel created, you now need to go and find stock footage which you can download and then you can re-upload to YouTube. And here's how you do that. Now there are a couple of websites you can use, and I'll show you a couple of them. Now the first one I recommend is a website called Pexels. So if you go to pexels.com here, it's going to take you to the main page probably. But once you're on the main page, you can go and search here for videos. So if I go and search here for sunset, you've got sunset beach, sunset sky. We'll just search for sunset and click search. Then we can go to videos, and you can see here there are 3.8 thousand videos that you can upload to your YouTube channel. And you can monetize these videos using the method that I'm about to show you in a second. So here you've got sunset on a beach, and if you click on the video here, you might get a description of what it is, which is going to help you title it. If not, you're just going to have to look at the video and see what it is. So you can see sunset beach. We can then go and free download that. So we can click free download, and we can download that completely for free. If you go to info, so if you go to info, you can see it's beach, waves, and sunset. And you can see it's free to use, Creative Commons. So once you've got that downloaded here, you can go and upload that to your YouTube channel. And also notice how they give you recommended search terms here. So we could upload some city stock footage. And again, you can download hundreds, if not thousands, of these stock footage videos that you can go and upload to your YouTube channel. And it really isn't going to take you long either. It's not hard. You just go to this website and you click download. And you can see for city, there are almost 7,000 videos. Right, so now you've got your videos downloaded. Now you need to go and upload some of them to your channel. Now to do that, you will go to your YouTube channel. You will go to this button here, which says create. You can then upload that video. And you can go and upload that video to your YouTube channel. And so go ahead and click here where it says select files, and you can go and find that video here. So it should be in your downloads. You can go and then simply upload it. Remember as well, on the new YouTube uploader, you can upload multiple videos at once. So you can upload 100, if not 200 videos at once to your channel. And like I said, you can start making money from this method straight away. So you won't have anything in your description or anything like this. So this video here is a beach sunset kind of video. So what we want to do is we want to go into YouTube and we want to search beach sunset stock footage and just see what's coming up here so we can see how we can title our video. So we've got here beach sunset, they've got royalty free in the title, which is important, and they've got stock footage in the title as well. If we look here, you can see the search term beach sunset stock footage has a good score on TubeBuddy, which means we're likely to rank for that if we do good SEO. So if you then go to your channel, we can call it beach, and then I'm going to add on the end here, Creative Commons stock footage. And then in brackets, I'm just going to add royalty free, which is another way of saying Creative Commons. So now you've got your title and a way that people can search for your video. You now need to go ahead and paste that in the description, just for good on-page SEO. And now we can monetize this video here. Now the way that you can monetize this is you can upload these royalty-free images to a website like File Upload. So File Upload allows you to upload videos and upload any files really. It's completely free, and File Upload will actually pay you when you get people to download your videos. Now this is great news for us, and this method is working loads better in 2021 than it was in previous years, because YouTube isn't loving it when people go to videos, they then copy the URL and they go to a YouTube downloader. They're kind of restricting that and they're not letting people do it. So what people are going to have to do is they're going to have to start putting download links in the description of their videos. So you can go to File Upload and you can upload your videos to File Upload. So if you go to Make Money here, we can see we can upload up to 10 GB for each file. So you can upload really big files here. Obviously our files aren't going to be big, but if we go to the File Upload Rewards program here, you can see we can earn $7 per 1,000 downloads depending on where people download it from. So if you scroll down here, you've got the free account. I would just create a free account. Then you can earn $6 for every 1,000 people who download from the US, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom. And then you can earn $2 for every other country here. Now what you can do is you can go and upload hundreds, if not thousands of these videos, and you can get your unique download link to that file from File Upload. And then what you can do, you can go ahead and paste it in the description. So you would do download, and then you would go and paste in your link here. Now people can see your video, they can then go and download it, and they can use it in their own videos. completely royalty free. Now another bonus way that you can monetize this, because you've created your channel around YouTubers who want stock footage, you can go and leave affiliate links in the description to resources for YouTubers. So maybe you can add a YouTube course, maybe you can add here gear from Amazon, so a new camera, lighting, a camera lens, a new microphone, and these YouTubers that visit your clips might be interested in one of those items. They might go ahead and click on your Amazon affiliate links, and if they buy it, you're going to earn a commission from that. Now this method is really powerful because you don't have to create any of the content, you don't have to speak on camera or anything like that. The content's already made. All you need to do is you need to upload that content, do some good on-page SEO, write a good description, do the tags of the video, and then you can get this video ranked on the first page of YouTube, and then you can send people that click on the video to your affiliate offers or to a download link of that video. I told you this is going to be a little bit of work, but I do believe this is one of the best methods that you can try in 2021 to make some money. Now, if you want the upper hand, and if you want to know YouTube and how to rank on YouTube and just the insides and outsides of YouTube and affiliate marketing, what I recommend you do is you take this course here called YouTube Supremacy. I've taken the course. It's a very inexpensive course, but it shows you how you can build authority YouTube channels that outrank your competition, which is essentially what we're trying to do here for promoting affiliate offers. So if you want to check out the course, it's beginner friendly. They have a 30-day money back guarantee, so it's no risk. You can learn here how to earn thousands of dollars per month from affiliate marketing. Shows you how you can rank videos. You don't need to show your face on camera. You don't need website hosting. But more importantly, it covers the important aspects of YouTube. So how you can dominate even with a niche channel. How you can rank your videos. How you can build your authority. How you can optimize your videos, and so on. There's much more. You can go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in